Earthy tones, they are back in a big way. But what makes Sherwin Williams Grounded stand out? Let's dig in and find out why it's part of the 2025 Color Capsule, which essentially is their version of the color palette of the year. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Paint People. Today we're exploring Sherwin Williams Grounded, a warm, earthy brown chosen for their 2025 Color Capsule. I'll dive into its rich undertones, share how it works in different spaces, and reveal 3 perfect color pairings to help you design like a pro. Ready to see what makes this color so special? Let's get started. Sherwin Williams Grounded is a saturated earthy brown with a noticeable red undertone, offering this perfect balance of richness and chocolatiness. With an LRV of 20, it has just enough depth to feel cozy and cavey without overwhelming a space. And this makes it ideal for living rooms, especially dining rooms, maybe bedrooms. But for some reason, I'm still not sold on brown bedrooms. It pairs beautifully with rich, contrasting colors or those lighter neutrals, making it a versatile choice for modern and transitional interiors. Whether you're updating your walls, any accents in the space, cabinetry, Grounded brings a timeless yet trendy feel to any room. Brown is just not a color I immediately think of when it comes to wall paint specifically, but it does look like it's on the rise. So try it with my 3 awesome color pairings right over here. So here we have Grounded by Sherwin Williams. While not officially their color of the year, in a lot of the publications talking about the colors of the year, the Color Capsule of 2025, Grounded was often featured as the first color they showed you, which leads me to believe this is maybe the one they want to showcase the most, but I could be wrong. It is a brown. It is a dark brown. What are the color pairings that I would put together with Grounded? The first color pairing is going to be a white choice that coordinates really nicely with it, and it's called Arcade White. Now, this is technically a violet undertoned off-white, but really to me, that just means it has a taupe undertone, which is a combination of gray and brown. Because of that slight cool feeling to it, does make it feel more neutral, and I think it will give it some more versatility and make it feel transitional, whether you have a warm, grounded color somewhere or a cooler color somewhere else, which I do have possibly in one of the other color pairings. So Arcade White is truly meant to work with all 3 of these colors that I'm going to get into. Great trim color, still has an 86 LRV, so quite bright, not super stark and crisp, but I didn't want to go for that in this case. Really interesting choice. The next color pairing is a lighter color that goes quite well with Grounded. It is a neutral option called Versatile Gray. The reason I picked this one is I wanted to go a little complementary to Grounded and its slightly warm red undertone. Versatile Gray has a taupey feel, so it's a combination of gray and brown. Typically when this happens, you'll have one favoring the other, and I think the gray becomes a bit stronger, but I will stress that these undertones are very much under the surface, so it is dependent on your room, your lighting. I do find Versatile Gray to be quite versatile. Right around a 48 LRV, which makes it a true mid-tone, so excellent choice if you have pretty good lighting. The third color pairing I picked for Grounded by Sherwin Williams is a beautiful, rich accent color called Stardew. Now, this is a choice that I love. It brings in a lovely positivity to it, a little aquatic feeling, just a nice blend of warm and cool happening, a touch of yellow, just feels a bit kind of powdery as well. It is described as a slate blue, but it is lighter than what I would deem to be a slate blue, which is a little closer to charcoal. It's a mid-tone color. It has a 43 LRV, so not much darker than the previous one we talked about in Versatile Gray, but you have a lot more saturation here, a lot more fun. This isn't just a bathroom color in my mind or a bedroom color. This is a kitchen color if you wanted, a living room. There's a lot you can do here. Coordinates beautifully with natural organic textures. Awesome accent choice. And that's it.